Okay, here's the trailer we've got. I pressure washed it off just a little bit, so it's a little bit cleaner than it was, but this is pretty much going to be our before, so you can get a good idea of what we're working with here. Got the cover right there for to cover up the pulleys. We got a couple of hose reels. We got a couple of 100-foot long hoses. Got a spare tire. We also got some cheap wire mesh flooring that didn't last. You can see here they've got a 2x6 going across to remedy the problem with that tank getting full of water and being ratcheted down tight and going through the floor. Also over here there's a piece of angle iron that's keeping this pump from going through. It's already gone through the floor, so they've had to remedy that as well. So we're going to work on a couple things. You know, this is bent. This is broken. This right here part is what holds those hose reels. As you can see, it's pretty thin metal here, so it's been tried to weld back, and it's just broken off over here. So I'm gonna see what I can do to fix all of this and make this a really nice rig to work with. So that's our next project. I'll keep you posted. So Wolf Trailer's right down the road from me. I went down there to pick up some angle iron. They cut it to size. I took my measurements down, and it made this next part of the process of fixing up the trailer much easier. Pieces that I purchased, all these that are a little lighter colored angle iron. So these are about a foot apart now, which is really a little bit overkill, but the 2 foot certainly wasn't working on the wire. Probably would have worked on the plastic lumber floor, but this, you know, every foot is really going to be nice. There's where we are, just going to get all that welded in and get it all ready for some paint. I've got some tools laid out, ready to go. Going to go ahead and get some of this stuff cut up. I've already started a little bit here, cut a couple of pieces. These 2 pieces of angle iron are ready to be put in. So I have just removed the old hitch assembly. It was bent. It was 1 7/8". My other trailer is a 2-inch. So I went out and purchased from Wolf Trailer this 2-inch ball catch hitch. And I thought while I had the trailer upside down, it would be a great time to not have to weld upside down and get this part welded in. So here I am welding in the last cross member, so this will have everything on 1 foot centers.
Okay, I've turned the trailer up on its side. I'm going to remove some of the bolts that are going through there for the tie downs and to hold down the pressure washer, and just anything that I can get done while it's up on its side like this, just to make it easier before I put it back down on the tires. Now that I've got the trailer back on its tires, I'm going to go ahead and finish welding up the hitch assembly. I've got all the big welding projects done. There was expanded metal. I'm getting ready to remove that here on the video. We're going to wrap this one up. We're probably about halfway finished. I still have paint to do. Got to wire on the new lights, put the plastic lumber in, and then put all the pressure washing equipment back on. But I think we're about halfway through, and we'll see you on the next one.